This is the story of Gerald, the most amazing boy around.
When other kids spoke words,
he only made this sound.
Gerald McBoing-Boing. Gerald McBoing-Boing. He makes all kinds of sounds, whistles, honks, and chirps. His dog he never barks, but watch out when he burps. Gerald McBoing-Boing.
Guess the sound.
sound check!
Oh, bravo, Gerald! But if you want to work with the orchestra like your mom, you've got to learn an instrument first. Have you figured out what you want to play yet? Oh, one of those little whistle things.
Hey!
No? What then? Oh! Drums. Oh, I love drums. Not that either. Well, you'll have to make up your mind soon. There's the music school. What's that, son? A French horn? A trumpet? A dinosaur playing a trumpet? Son, dinosaurs can't play the piano. They don't have fingers. Oh, I see. You want to play the piano. Jeepers! So much for piano lessons. At least at this music school. But don't worry, there's always drums, French horn, or trumpet.
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Here is a fantasy tale to enjoy, starring Jacob, Janine, and Gerald McCloy. They all play a part in this world of pretend, but the hero is always our sound-making friend. This is the story of Scratchy Mcbeard, a mean, grouchy pirate that everyone feared. The sound of his beard brought his whole crew to tears. That scratchy sound, it hurt everyone's ears. One day, in his beard, he found big wads of gum. He cried,
I know where this gum is from.
So he sailed down to Gumtown. It's famous, you see. They make all kinds of gum there. It's all sugar-free.
Steal it all!
Those pickpocket pirates were the mean, nasty kind. They stole everyone's gum, every piece they could find. No one could stop him from what he was doing. He even took gum that someone was chewing.
Get out!
Cried the mayor.
Get out of this place!
But that Scratchy Mcbeard, he just laughed in her face. His bad, naughty ways were a shameful disgrace. But a gumball soon put him back into his place. Meanwhile, Gerald, our hero, was telling a tale to some dolphins, a shark, 3 small fish, and a whale. Then he heard people yelling.
Stop that pirate! He's getting away. We need someone to help us and come save the day.
Gerald sprang into action. He raced to the scene and learned what had happened from Mayor Janine. Gerald went, and he gave them a wink. And then those 2 elephants started to drink. They drained the whole ocean, and Scratchy was stuck in his ship in the guck and the mire and muck. Gumtown got its gum back. They shouted,
Hooray! Gerald's our hero, and he saved the day!
Scratchy's beard, on the other hand, couldn't be saved. It was so full of gum that it had to be shaved.
Guess the sound!
Sound check!
Gerald, how was your first saxophone lesson? Great! I'd love to hear you play me something. Pretty wild, Gerald. But don't you think you should take the instrument out of the case before you start playing it? That sounds even better to me, Gerald. Well, sure. That's how you learn. Watch this. Now, once you learn that note, then you can learn this one. And pretty soon you can do this. What do you think?
whatever it is. Now that was cool.
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Oh no, I forgot to pick up my marching band uniform. I know. And the store's closing any second. There's your dad.
Hi, honey.
Can you let him know I'll be right back? Oh, thanks, sweetie.
Hey, where'd your mom run off to? What's that? She's run off to join the circus again?
Oh, is there a parade outside?
Maybe it's coming from the parking lot.
A parade! A parade! Let me see!
A parade!
Did you hear that? There's a parade out in the parking lot. Come on, let's check it out.
Where is it?
Where did that come from?
Maybe it's over here. I love parade!
Wow! Come on, son!
Over there!
Can you see the parade yet, Gerald? Where is it?
Is it over there?
Where is it?
Now it sounds like it's coming from over there again. A parade!
Where is it?
Wait, it's back on the other side. A parade!
Hey, would you look at that? We're having a parade in the food court.
Hey, what happened here?
Oh, wow. You just missed the best parade ever.
Really? Is that so, Gerald?
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Wait a minute. I live here.
Here is a fantasy tale to enjoy, starring Jacob, Janine, and Gerald McCloy. They all play a part in this world of pretend, but the hero is always our sound-making friend. This is the story of friends who were bold and went searching the desert for treasures and gold. They traveled for 2 months, 3 weeks, and 1 day.
Are we there yet?
Till they found the lost city of Mumbley.
Stop! Don't go in there!
A desert guide cried.
I've heard noises in there. There are mummies inside. I've heard them mumbling all night and day, but I can't understand a word that they say.
So they walked with the guide. Then they heard a strange sound.
What was that?
One friend said, but did not turn around.
Don't move.
The guide cried.
I'm sorry to say, we have just met the mumbling mummies of Mumbley.
The mummies were mumbling. But no one understood,
You know,
said the guide.
this just doesn't look good.
The mummies moved closer. Their mumbles grew stronger.
I don't really think I can take this much longer. I don't like this at all. It will take us forever to walk down this hall.
Hey, look, we found treasure. There's treasure galore.
It won't do us much good with the lock on the door. Treasure! We found treasure. We're rich. I know where we'll stay.
Tell that to the mumbling mummies of Mumbley.
What are they saying?
I wish I knew.
Gerald had an idea. He knew just what to do.
Wow, you've set us free. Now when we talk...
We can be understood.
Can you tell us, please, what you were trying to say?
Come party with us. It's our birthday today. So I bet you can guess how this story ends. The treasure they found was 3 new best friends.
Guess the sound.
Sound check!
Oh, hey, how about we go to Pioneer Park for our vacation? No, there's no roller coaster at Pioneer Park. It's built like an old frontier town, and they didn't have roller coasters back then.
Did you say Pioneer Park? I love Pioneer Park! I even worked there one summer during college!
No, there are no carnival games there either. But it's still fun, and you can learn what it was like to live in the olden days.
Hey, you know, I may even have one of my old outfits. They made us dress old-fashioned and stuff. I've got to go pack my suitcase.
I'm sorry, Gerald, but there's no beach there either. What do you think? I'm so glad we came to this beach instead of Pioneer Park.
Yeah, me too. I just wish I remembered to repack my suitcase. That way I would have brought a bathing suit instead of this old Pioneer Park outfit.
Guess the sound.
Sound check! Boing, 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 boing. Boing, boing.